Hello friends, welcome to Cheryl's Topsy-Turvy Recipes. I hope you all are well, fit and fine. Today I am going to make local fish curry. So I have taken here fish 1 kilo 400 grams. I have already washed it and put the saffron and salt. You can see this I am going to fry first and then make the local fish curry. And the masalas which I am going to use is you can see this is mustard, black and yellow mustard both mixed. This is dhania, this is ginger, this is garlic, jeera, green chili and dry red chilies. All this I will grind and make the local fish curry. I hope you all will like it. So come on, let us start the recipe. First of all, I will fry the fish. Friends, I will make the fish curry with mustard oil. So I have putting oil. I put the mustard oil, it will turn hot. Then I will fry the fishes. Friends, the oil is turned hot. Now I will put in the fish to fry. This way I will fry all the fish and take it out. Friends, I have fried up the fish. You can see all the fish are fried up. Now I am going to make the curry. In the same oil I will make the curry. Friends, I am using Panch Phoran. You can see the Panch Phoran. This I am using for the curry. So put this in. Masalas which I showed, I have ground it here. Now I will put this in. Put in the turmeric powder. I have already put in the red dry chili and some green chili. So I will not put red chili powder. If you all want to put chili powder, you all can put. The curry may turn very hot. So I am not going to use red chili powder. Now I will fry the masalas. Friends, the masala is turning brown. Oh, nicely it's turning brown. See the masala? Now I will put in the salt. I've put in the salt. I've chopped up tomatoes. This also I will put in. Friends, now I will add some water. Put in some coriander leaves. Let the gravy bubble. Friends, you can see the gravy bubbling. Now I will put in the fish. The fish I have put in. Now I'll let it bubble again little bit and then take it down. Friends, local fish curry is ready. I hope you all will like it. Thank you for watching my video.